Are you looking to end this year strong? Celebrate your wins and make sure 2021 is full of wins as well? Then this video is the one for you. Hello, my name is Emily Jones-Smith and I am a Limitless life coach. I help ambitious go-getters to finally crush their limitations and create their dream life. If you love anything to do with self-development, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell because I give you content weekly. Everything to do with personal growth, mindset, self-development, all that kind of goodness. So hit that subscribe button. This series is all about finishing your year strong. So if you haven't seen any of the other videos, make sure you check them out after this. It is not too late to finish your year strong. If you want to make sure you are having wins in 2021, make sure you listen to step 3 near the end because I will give you a tool to make sure you get wins in 2021 as well, because who doesn't want wins? Winning, winning, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Celebrating your wins is so important because a lot of us just go through life waiting for the next thing, waiting for the next destination, the next job, the next, life event to celebrate then, but we just skim past it. This video is all about celebrating your wins, even the small ones, because if you can't celebrate the small ones, you will not celebrate the big ones, because the way we do one thing is the way we do everything. So this video is all about how to celebrate your wins. I'm so excited for you to find out what your wins are this year. Exercise. Woo-hoo. So this is a 3-step process, and step 1, I want you to start by grabbing a notebook and pen and just jot down every single thing that has been a win this year. And this can be anything and everything. I want it to be big and small and in between. Write down what your wins were this year. Step 2, whilst you're doing this, I want you to celebrate yourself. I want you to appreciate yourself. I want you to realize what it took to do these wins. Did you have to have strength, willpower? Did you have to have ambition, consistency? What did it take for you to get these wins, these big wins, small wins, and everything in between? And I want you to celebrate yourself and think, hell yeah, I did a good job this year. Celebrate yourself. Celebrate yourself. Take a moment of appreciation for the amazing human being that you are. And with this step as well, I want you to take a deep breath. And even if you have not so many wins, or even if you have loads of wins, I want you to repeat after me. I am exactly where I need to be. You are exactly where you need to be in this lifetime. Right now, right here, you are not too far ahead, you are not too far behind, you are exactly where you need to be. Breathe it in. I am exactly where I need to be. If you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you give it a like because it means a lot to me, and yeah, I would really appreciate it. Please! Step 3. Here's something I've come to realize. If we can look at our wins and think, what did it take to achieve these things? Like, did it take consistency? Did it take hard work? Then we can take those things and put them into next year. Well, if I want more wins, if I want similar wins to what I got this year, I need to be consistent and hardworking. What attributes, what traits did you have to portray to be able to get these wins? Because once we know that, we can pick those traits up and put them into 2021 as well, and make sure we are winning in 2021 as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will be back next week with another episode, another video on how to finish your year strong. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss